In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Let's Encrypt free SSL on Namecheap shared hosting. Step by step, so you can secure your website without paying extra for a certificate. This is a simple process, and if your domain is eligible, Namecheap can automatically install the free SSL for you on shared hosting. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy hosting and website guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Hosting List section. This is where all of your hosting plans are listed in one place. Find your shared hosting plan, and then click Go to cPanel. This will take you into your hosting control panel, where you can manage your domain, files, databases, and SSL settings. Before you continue, make sure your domain is pointed to your Namecheap hosting name servers, or to the correct hosting server. This part is important because the SSL certificate can only be installed properly if the domain is connected to the hosting account. If your domain is not pointed correctly, the free SSL may not appear or activate as expected. Once you're inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the section called Exclusive for Namecheap customers. This area contains special tools provided by Namecheap for customers on their hosting platform. In that section, click on Namecheap SSL. This is the tool that handles the free SSL setup for eligible shared hosting domains. If prompted, sign in again with your Namecheap account. This extra login step is normal, and it helps Namecheap verify that you own the hosting account and domain you want to secure. After that, open the Installed via Namecheap SSL tab. This tab shows the SSL certificates that are being installed or have already been installed through Namecheap's automated SSL process. In many cases, you don't need to manually generate or upload anything. Namecheap takes care of the installation for you. Now wait for the free SSL certificate to appear. If everything is connected correctly, you should see the certificate status change to active. That means the SSL has been successfully installed on your shared hosting domain. Depending on timing and server processing, this may not happen instantly, so be patient during this stage. Allow up to 30 minutes for the SSL installation to complete. In some cases it may finish faster, but giving it a little time is the best approach. While you wait, you can refresh the page occasionally and check the status again. Once it shows active, your website should be ready to use HTTPS. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Let's Encrypt free SSL on Namecheap shared hosting. It's a quick and useful way to secure your site, improve trust with visitors, and help protect data in transit without buying an expensive certificate. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.